50, 6 simple Japanese elder habits for pain-free joints. Did you know that in Japan, it's completely normal to see men and women in their 80s walking upright, gardening, or even sitting cross-legged on the floor with ease? While in many Western countries, joint pain, stiffness, and limited mobility are treated as inevitable after 50, Japanese elders move with an almost youthful grace. The secret isn't found in miracle pills or expensive supplements, but in simple daily habits that nourish their joints naturally. Today on Thrive After 50, we'll uncover 6 simple Japanese elder habits proven to help you move freely, stay balanced, and live pain free well into your later years. If you're ready to take back your mobility, stay until the end, because even small changes can transform the next decade of your life. Every sunrise in Japan begins with movement, a ritual called asano undu, or morning exercise. Before breakfast, elders rotate their wrists, ankles, hips, and shoulders in smooth circular motions. Why? Because movement first thing in the morning stimulates synovial fluid, the body's natural joint lubricant. Studies from Tokyo University show that those who perform gentle morning rotations experience 40% less stiffness throughout the day. Before you grab your phone, stand tall and circle each joint 5 times. Feel the warmth spread. That's your joints waking up, not wearing out. Next comes Shinrin Yoku, the art of forest bathing. This isn't about hiking or burning calories. It's mindful walking through nature. Slow steps, deep breaths, full awareness. Research reveals that this style of walking reduces cortisol, lowers blood pressure, and rebalances the nervous system. The uneven terrain, dirt, grass, tree roots, gently trains your stabilizing muscles, making every step a natural therapy for your knees, hips, and ankles. Start with 10 minutes daily in a park or garden. Breathe in for 2 steps, hold for 2, and exhale for 4. It's not exercise, it's movement meditation for your joints. At 6:30 every morning across Japan, a familiar melody fills the air. Millions begin Radio Taiso, a 3-minute full-body stretch practiced for nearly a century. 13 simple motions, arm swings, side bends, knee lifts, performed gently yet rhythmically. Scientists call it liquid motion because it keeps synovial fluid circulating like oil in an engine. In one nationwide study, seniors who practiced Radio Taiso daily had fewer falls, better posture, and greater mobility even into their 80s. You can do the same. Just turn on music you love and move joyfully for 3 minutes each morning. Now, look around a Japanese home and you'll notice something else. Chairs are optional. People eat, rest, and relax on the floor. That means they're constantly transitioning from floor to standing dozens of times a day. A study of more than 10,000 adults found that the ability to stand up from the floor without using your hands predicts longevity better than blood pressure or cholesterol levels. This simple movement strengthens your hips, knees, and core, the foundation of joint health. Start gently. Sit on a cushion, cross your legs, and rise using minimal support. Do this 3 times a day. It's not just flexibility, it's the art of independence. One of the simplest yet most powerful Japanese habits is called tenugi hibiki, or the towel twist. You only need a towel. Hold it at shoulder height, pull it gently outward, and twist your torso side to side. This traditional practice engages deep, stabilizing muscles along your spine and shoulders. Japanese researchers found that performing this simple twist for just 2 minutes daily improves balance, joint lubrication, and even mental clarity. It's like tuning your body's alignment each morning and night. Do it standing, seated, or even while watching TV. No gym, no excuses. But perhaps the most powerful habit isn't physical, it's mental. Japanese elders embrace 2 guiding principles: harahachi bu, meaning eat until you're 80% full, and ikigai, a sense of daily purpose. Stress, not age, is often the greatest enemy of healthy joints. When you slow down, eat mindfully, breathe deeply, and move with intention, inflammation drops, and your body begins to heal itself. Pain-free joints start not with what you do, but how you live. You don't need a plane ticket to Japan or a fancy gym membership. You only need a few minutes each day to stretch, breathe, and move with purpose. Because thriving after 50 isn't about fighting age, it's about flowing with it. So, which of these 6 habits will you start today? Share it in the comments. Your story might inspire someone halfway across the world. This is Thrive After 50, where longevity isn't luck, it's lifestyle. See you in the next episode. Estimated reading time 6 minutes, 940 to 980 words, natural American pacing.